In today's video, I will tell that why we should use DaVinci Resolves. DaVinci Resolves is the most professional video editing software now. It is the complete video production tool, dear friend. This is a production house, totally complete production house, you can tell. There are several benefits of using as your video editing software, your main video editing softwares, dear friend. If you want to make a secondary video editing software for your career, you can choose some open source video editing softwares like Live, like some free, like easy software like Filmora or CapCut. In CapCut, it's the free because you will not get watermarks on your video. But in Filmora, you can get watermark. But in the open source, there are several good options. But I suggest Live is good. But when you come for Mac OS, you have Final Cut Pro. Once you pay the money and you will use the software whole life, this is also good. There are lots of good features inside Final Cut Pro. Avid Media Composer you can't use. You have to pirate the software. Otherwise, a pirated software I don't like. It's not good for the health of your computer and your security, dear friends. That's why I have tried Lightworks. There you can export video to 720p. This is not good. Lightworks is the good video editing software. There several Bollywood films were edited inside Lightworks. But the one thing I like Lightworks is this is not monthly subscription. You have to pay one time and something 495. I don't remember, $395, and this software will be yours. In the same way, DaVinci Resolve, you can pay one time $295. This software will be yours. Or like me, if you buy a speed editor, $395 I have bought like this, and you will get speed editors and the two softwares for your two systems whole life free, dear friends. This is a good deal, sir. I have bought and I have already used this speed editor for 6 months. Hello, dear friend. If this class is useful to you, it adds value to your life, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing on YouTube because of the algorithm of YouTube, dear friend. But you can make it possible by just subscribing the channels, writing comment, liking the channels, and you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorials. I have the whole several playlist for DaVinci Resolve softwares. You can learn there, dear friends, and you can suggest me, write me in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want. I will make a special class for you, dear friends. So favor me, dear friend, consider like, subscribe the channels, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into our DaVinci Resolve here. Now I can tell that it's a good deal. If you have 1 hour video, if you want to split several places, there are several cuts. I have tutorial video and I make a lots of mistake while speaking, and I have to trim video, cut video, and these wheels are very useful. Helps a lot to, dear friends. It's a great deal for me. And now I tell why we should use DaVinci Resolve. We should choose DaVinci Resolve as the main video editing softwares, because DaVinci Resolve has lots of premium features, free features, which other video editing software like Avid Media Composer, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Heat Film Express, other video editing software, there you have to pay monthly subscription. Even though this is better than that paid software, dear friend, because these features are totally free. In DaVinci Resolve, you can export video up to 4K 60 fps. Great deal, dear friends. There are lots of transitions, effects, generators. There are several free plugins. No, I have plugin class. Go and see on my YouTube channels. In the playlist you will find, and these are the really the great deal. Without money you have to pay nothing. And first, when I was working in Premiere Pro, sometimes I had to color grade, correct the color of my video. For color correction, I used to migrate to DaVinci Resolve, there corrected the color and moved to Premiere Pro. Later I saw every day it was improving, and Fusion was integrated, which is the world class compositing and VFX software integrated inside DaVinci Resolve, and you can do a lots of things in Fusion which you do in After Effects and others professional VFX softwares, compositing software, dear friends. So it's a great deal. You use DaVinci Resolve free and you use this world class VFX and fusions, VFX and compositing softwares. Just you have to learn fusions. I have been learning fusion for some months. I have been using now for my professional works. I have been using, and I can tell this is a really better than After Effects. There are lots of features inside fusions you can't imagine. And later, Fairy Light was integrated. You know, Fairy Light is the correct answer to Audition, better than Auditions. You can edit your audio inside Fairy Lights in the good quality. It's a good for productions, your film, serials, your news production is etc. You can use this. I have been using, and I feel more comfortable inside Fairy Light, dear friends. Once you learn softwares, you have to give some time. I have several playlists on my channels how to learn DaVinci Resolve. There you can learn and start using. Download. I will give the link in the next class. I will show you how to download DaVinci Resolve for free, and I will put that video in the screen and on in the playlist, and you can go and see there. These are the actually the main benefit of using DaVinci Resolve. You don't get any watermarks. Plus, you can see there are lots of equipments which Black Magic company manufactures. You can use in DaVinci Resolve. Like you see, I have speed editors. There are keyboard, and you can buy keyboards, and some color grading tool softwares are available. If you will be a professional, you are start using color grading for your client, you are earning money, you can buy and you can get DaVinci Resolve for free, dear friends. The studio version I've got free. Buying this speed editor. That's why I tell that this is the great deal. Actually, these are the main benefits of using DaVinci Resolve softwares. You get for free so many effect transitions, art titles etc, and then you get VFX software like After Effects, for which you have to pay 15-20 dollars. I don't remember some things every monthly. Here you get free. Very light, you get free. You don't need to pirate software. There, if you have to pirate software, otherwise you have to pay the monthly subscription. Here, everything is free. If your computer is strong, you have good computer like me, why will not use DaVinci Resolve for our production work? And if your computer is not good, go for Caden Live, like softwares. That's a totally free, open source, and CapCut. And there are some other options. You search there, and you will find a lots of options for us. That these are totally free, dear friend. And but today's video, I wanted to tell you that why we should use DaVinci Resolve. These are actually the benefit of using DaVinci Resolve. I have tried all the video editing software like Avid Media Composer and Adobe Premiere Pro, the Lightworks, and Heat Film Express, all open source video editing software. So where my Canon Live is my secondary video editing software. Nowadays I use it because there are lots of free feature inside. I have already tutorial. You can go. If your computer is not good, you can go for Canon Live. But if you want to be a professional and you want to be a good video editor, people will respect you, dear friends, after learning DaVinci Resolve, because this is the future of DaVinci Resolve. Where you see, this is a big company and there are lots of tools. If you will be a certified trainer of DaVinci Resolve, you can make career there. They will add your name to their website, and they will suggest your name for a certified DaVinci Resolve trainers. If you want to learn, there is a examinations, and you pass examination, and it's a good, you can make career there, and it's a totally free. When you start earning money, you can buy the software. Actually, these are the main benefits of using DaVinci Resolve softwares, dear friends. If you have YouTube channel, content creators, for clients, everything, for every work, this software is a very suitable. I have used, and confidently I can tell you, there is only one choice when you come for a free professional video editing software. This is DaVinci Resolve. So dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Write in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want. We meet in the next class.